A new leak has now revealed most relevant hardware details of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and newly leaked prices for the trio in Europe basically confirm the bad news. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has been outed in full an entire week before its official debut. Camera samples showcasing the phone's low light and zoom performance, as well as its impressive new selfie camera, were revealed recently, and hardware details of the Galaxy S23 Ultra have now also leaked. The leaked images are all screenshots from the device Info HU app that lists most hardware specifications. For one, the app confirms that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is equipped with a 200-megapixels Isocell HP2 sensor, listed as the S5K HP2. The ultra-wide-angle sensor is listed as the IMX564, likely an incremental upgrade on the IMX563 on the S22 Ultra. Both telephoto cameras retain the IMX754 from last year's phone and are paired with 3x and 10x lenses again. Gone is the 40-megapixel selfie camera on the S22 Ultra. In its place is a 12-megapixel S5K3LU. The leak also confirms a few other hardware details of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. For one, it corroborates prior reports of a different Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the S23 Ultra. The Samsung flagship will use a variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that has its Cortex X3 core clocked at 3.36 GHz, notably higher than the 3.2 GHz of the standard Qualcomm SOC. Contrary to rumors claiming this boosted version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to have been built by Samsung, however, there's nothing indicating it isn't manufactured by TSMC like the standard model. Other hardware details include a new charging IC. Sensors like the accelerometer, magnetometer, barometer, and NFC chips all look to be the same as the S22 Ultras, though. Meanwhile, Samsung may keep the same prices as their predecessors in the US, but not elsewhere. A past rumor from Australia made us aware of the upcoming price hikes for the first time, and today newly leaked prices for the trio in Europe basically confirm the bad news. The base model Galaxy S23 Ultra will be €150 more expensive than the base model Galaxy S22 Ultra, but you do get 256 gigs of storage instead of 128 gigs. This means that in the cheapest Eurozone countries, due to differing VAT levels, such as Germany and Benelux, you should expect to pay €949 for a base model Galaxy S23 and €1,399 for a base model Galaxy S23 Ultra with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. The Galaxy S23 Plus will most likely be €1,199 with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, although this leak doesn't specifically mention it for such markets. If this pans out, Samsung will, as most companies, respond to inflation by creating some more inflation, since that's literally what increasing prices does. The irony isn't lost on us, and it shouldn't be lost on you, but if you're interested in the Galaxy S23 phones, you should probably save up a little bit more than perhaps you initially may have expected. That being said, Samsung generally has pretty decent pre-order deals, and those may take some of the stink off of these price hikes. So that's all for today. For more Galaxy updates, do consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.